Welcome to Lagos, day 84-85. The city has a glorious history since the 2000 AC, formerly called Lacobriga by the Romans and named Zawai by the Moors in 1189, until it received its current name. Due to its proximity to the sea, the port of Lagos had played a vital role in some epic voyage of discovery. The city was also the capital of the Algarve between 1578 and 1756. Now what the hell I'm talking about? The city of Lagos, a Portuguese haven. Lagos literally means lakes. We were visiting Lagos not for the city, not for playing golf, not for our retirement home, but to enjoy this beautiful and formidable landscape on the coast. The Algarve region in general certainly can hold the top spot for golf and the retirement homes. To be honest, the city center of Lagos was beautiful, but we were already spoiled in the morning with the beautiful coastline view of Lagos. Our strolling around the city center of Lagos was just icing on the cake. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some wonderful and magnificent photos of Lagos. Let's take a look. Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silky Peaks Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Across Film Simulation. Enjoy! Our next destination, Sintra.